Hi, I'm Trinity from trinityskitchen.com, and today I'm going to share a really simple sauce recipe. It's simple, but it's absolutely delicious. And it's called Tomoconut sauce because it's basically a blend of tomatoes and coconut. And a lot of people don't realize, but tomatoes and coconut together are like a marriage made in heaven. They just dance and entwine. The coconut softens the tomato to perfection. There's just something about them where they bring out the best in each other. And I've been making this recipe for years. It's been really popular with everyone I've served it to, and people are like, oh my god, how did you make that recipe? And I published a recipe similar to this originally in my book Angelicious, but today I've actually broken it down to the absolute basic ingredients of passata, which is like sieved or crushed tomatoes, that kind of thing, and creamed coconut that comes in the form of a block. I'll leave a link in the section below with a video that tells you what creamed coconut is. Creamed coconut is basically the solidified and creamed pureed form of a mature dehydrated coconut, and it basically imparts a really rich, creamy coconut thing to any dish that you make. You can get it in the UK in any good supermarket. In the same section that you get coconut milk and in a can, you can get it in really good health food stores. I've worked in America, in North America, in Canada, and you can get it in good health food stores there too. You can also get it online. It's a bit more iffy if you want to get it in Australia. It's not as easy to get there, but just if you can't get it, substitute with coconut butter instead, which is actually pretty much the same thing. I'm going to publish another recipe where we can make an alternative sauce using coconut milk and coconut cream, but this one uses creamed coconut that comes in a block, passata, salt and pepper. Easy. It sounds just ridiculously easy, but it's absolutely delectably delicious. It takes a few short minutes to make. It serves with veggie burgers, falafels, and if you want to use it to drizzle on vegetables, you can serve it hot, you can serve it cold, you can keep it in the fridge for a few days, you can even freeze it. So we're talking about a really delicious versatile sauce that will jazz pretty much anything up, and it'll actually take your culinary creations to a, oh my god, this is delicious sort of level. So basically I measured 200 milliliters, which is just under a cup of passata. If you haven't got passata, just use tinned tomatoes and puree them in a blender. Then I got about a quarter of a block of creamed coconut, which is about 50 grams, and I chopped it all up into small pieces. I popped it in the pan. I added salt and pepper. I popped it on the stove, turned on the heat, and just allowed the coconut to melt over the next few minutes, and then stirred it in, added a bit of water, just over 3 tablespoons worth of water, and then it's ready. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know how you get on. If you resonate, please do subscribe. Check out the links that I've left for other information that might be useful. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.